Good morning. Today's assembly is presented by Class 12C. 12th August was designated to be International Youth Day by the UN General Assembly on 17th December 1999. It serves as an annual celebration of the efforts of young men and women for serving as essential partners in the change and betterment of society. It has also been used to raise awareness regarding the challenges faced by the world's youth. It is generally celebrated around the world with events such as parades, concerts, conferences, volunteer projects, and exhibitions. This year's theme is Youth Engagement for Global Action, which seeks to highlight the plentiful engagement of global youth in national and multilateral institutions and to also thus further enhance their representation and engagement in global action. As the world grapples with the COVID-19 pandemic, a huge number of young leaders are taking tremendous efforts to help lessen the distress. 1. Using social media and creating apps to spread accurate information regarding the crisis, thus lessening the additional distress that is caused by fake news and creating hope. 2. Speaking out for effective and equitable health and professional care. 3. Championing the importance of mental wellness in a situation where social isolation can have deteriorating effects. 4. Conducting research and developing technology. 5. Delivering food and sanitation to the affected. 6. Engaging elected officials and lawmakers to donate and support the cause consistently and significantly. 7. Ensuring major support and attention to the most vulnerable victims of the pandemic. Another important facet is the health and well-being of the youth, which can be strengthened through engagement in healthy eating and well-being practices like a balanced diet and regular exercise. Mental well-being is another extremely important facet, especially in this situation. Youth should ensure they are not stressed by the duties they undertake and do regular relaxation processes like yoga to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle, which can result in greater, efficient service to the society which is in need. Thank you. This was presented to you by Aditi Manikandan of Class 12C.